Hey there, I have a new favorite water flosser I want to tell you about. It's the H2ofloss PowerPulse Pro cordless water flosser. And my teeth are feeling extra clean these days. It is so easy to use and it gets every crevice of your mouth so clean all the way up to your gum line. And this model is portable and compact, so you can take it literally anywhere, which makes it perfect for travel. You know, I used to never bring one of these on trips, but now I can. Plus, it's ultra quiet, so you won't be disturbing the entire hotel when you're using it on vacation. I also got their whitening tablets to whiten my teeth and help freshen my breath, and I'll tell you about those a little later. First, let me show you everything it comes with. Okay, let's see what's in this box. Well, I know what's in this box, but I want to show you how cute first is this travel case. So cute. I take it everywhere with me. So here is the device. See how compact it is? Let me take it out for you. Okay, then it comes with 5 different nozzles and a toothbrush. Here, I'll take it out for you to see. So I'm gonna pick this up later. There's one for whatever your preference is. There's a little toothbrush if you forget, but depending on what nozzle you want. Then, here's the charger. That's always important. Last but not least, if you're into the whitening tablets like I am, you're gonna need this little device, which I'll show you later. Boop. So that's what it comes with. Now let me show you how this flosser works. Here's some footage of me putting it to good use. Clearly, this flosser is perfect for daily cleaning and removing food particles. And for those of you with braces, this is the device you need. My son used to have braces, and this was the only way he could floss his teeth. Also, if you have dental implants or crown bridges, this is also an excellent way for you to floss your mouth safely. It has a large 300 milliliter water tank right here with their patent gravity ball design, so you barely have to worry about filling it up when you use it. And it has a 2-minute timer, so you know exactly how long you should be flossing for. It's got an IPX7 waterproof rating, and there are 5 adjustable water pressure levels from 40 PSI all the way up to 140 PSI. So you could choose what works best for you. My teeth are a little more sensitive, so I pick a lower water pressure, while my son seems to like the strongest one. And trust me, it is a very strong water pressure, but this flosser uses a low frequency with a higher water volume, so it's not harmful at all to your teeth. And like I said, it has a low sound decibel, so it's super quiet, which I love because my old flosser was so loud and it would annoy everyone in the house. I try to use it at least once a day because, you know, the older I've gotten, the more I've noticed change in my gums. And I was having difficulty targeting the hard to reach spots in my mouth. And with this H2O flosser, I know I can safely get those nasty food particles out. And I have a couple places on my mouth that are really tight, so string floss tends to break and get stuck in there. And now I know that I can get into every crevice with this flosser. You know, and this is the perfect option if you have delicate gums, and it's much less painful than the traditional floss. And you won't have bleeding from your gums. I've also noticed this really helps get rid of plaque, which regular flossing just couldn't seem to do. It charges, using a standard USB-C. So you can charge it anywhere. It only takes 4 hours to fully charge, and you'll get 15 full days before you need to charge it again. So you definitely won't need to worry about, it dying on you if you forget or lose your charger when you're on vacation, for example. Let's talk about these incredible whitening tablets right here. They come in a pack of 30, and the way these work is simple. When you want to use these whitening tablets, you just use this attachment, you open it up, okay? And you put one of the tablets inside, and then when you're using the flosser, it spreads the whitening solution across all of your teeth, which leads to mild whitening. And make sure you use it continuously for 30 days to see results. I absolutely love it. I've noticed a huge difference already with how white my teeth are. So you should definitely order one of these bad boys today so you can have a brighter, whiter, healthier smile in no time at all. And they are a lot cheaper than you would think. So that is an extra bonus, people. The link is in the caption below. Get yours today and tell me what you think of it in the comments. You are going to absolutely love yours.